Can you show me how to do your hula hoop? Can you try your hula hoop? Come on. You gonna stand up? You gonna stand up with it? How you do? Oh, careful.
Okay, I live in Commerce, so I'll try to see you over there right now. Okay, thank you, man. You want to go get the pizza, Jenny? Come here. Jenny.
Samantha, someone was talking to you.
You want to go get the pizza?
Yeah.
You want to go with Mama or you want to stay here? You can go.
Sammy. She's right here, feel her. She's right here.
The butt or the head?
The butt. Her butt's right here.
Don't hit, baby, don't hit.
Right there. The whole thing is hard.
So her head is here, the butt is here, so where's the feet?
Feet are all up in here.
Hey,